This is an overview of the Decon Privacy Corridor System, which includes DQE Standard Decontamination Shower, a 4-foot by 8-foot collection pool, elevation grids, and a privacy corridor enclosure. The Decon Privacy Corridor is an accessory that enhances the Standard Decontamination Shower by creating 3 separate stalls for efficiently moving individuals through the decontamination process. The stalls are designated for undressing, showering, and drying. The system's components can be sold separately, but in this video we'll demonstrate the key features as well as the assembly process for the complete system. Let's start with the standard collection pool. Use the carry handles to place the collection pool in a suitable location within your designated decontamination area. Unfold the pool and use its pins to lock the sides. Place the elevation grids into the pool as shown, noting the orientation of the grids. These elevation grids allow an individual walking through the decontamination process to stand above the collected water. Next, let's assemble the shower. Remove the top and bottom U-base pieces from their bag. These parts interlock for compact, convenient storage. Unclamp the quick connect fittings and separate all of the pieces. Each U-base piece is marked with either red or blue tape. Blue tape designates parts for the bottom of the shower, and red designates parts for the top of the shower. This is easily remembered by thinking blue bottom, red roof. Connect the bottom U-bases with the extenders, securing the quick connect fittings. Place this bottom assembly into the collection pool. Now, remove the upright pieces from their bags and connect them to the bottom assembly. Place the upright with the on-off valves on the side of the pool where water will be supplied. The valves allow for a variety of water flow options. You can supply water to just the shower and the handheld sprayer, or just the handheld sprayer. To build the top of the shower, connect the top U-bases and their extenders by securing the quick connect fittings. Take this upper assembly, marked red for roof, and position the top onto the shower unit. As an alternative, the shower can be leaned over while a second person connects the top portion. This completes the assembly of the shower. Now, simply connect a standard water hose. Next, we'll add the Decon Privacy Corridor. First, unpack the components and unfold the vinyl curtain. Connect the 2 main corridor support poles using the quick connect fittings. With the person at each end of the privacy corridor, lift and place the vinyl on top of the shower. Ensure that the center divider panels fall between the roof pipes. Then, insert the end supports into the sleeves. There is no designated front or back. Therefore, the privacy corridor can be oriented either way lengthwise onto the standard shower system, keeping in mind that only one side of the corridor has windows. Now, unroll the center divider curtains and the side walls. Notches in the curtain allow for placement around the pool frame and for the water supply hose. To better secure the corridor in windy conditions, the sidewalls can be secured to the pool on one end and attached to sandbags on the other end. The corridor includes a white panel roof to allow for as much light as possible, while still providing complete privacy. Now, the system is ready to use. Ensure that the water source valve is open. Allow several seconds for the water to fill the pipes. Multiple spray nozzles provide complete coverage to ensure fast and thorough decon. The spray nozzles are easily cleaned if needed. Just unclamp and unscrew the spray nozzle. Prior to disassembly, decon and dry the unit. Disassembly of the Decon Privacy Corridor is essentially the assembly process in reverse. Note that the divider curtains are easily rolled as a single unit to save time, and the end supports should be removed after the side curtains are rolled and secured. Once removed from the shower, the corridor support poles can be disconnected. Refold the vinyl in half, place the end supports and sandbags on top, and then roll the vinyl up, placing it back in its storage bag. Like the Decon Privacy Corridor, disassembly of the standard shower is as simple as reversing the assembly process. After the components are disassembled, arrange the top and bottom parts to form an interlocked unit as shown. Then, take the carry bag and place over the unit and then roll over. Place the other components into the center of the bag. The heavy-duty vinyl bags that hold the showers have drainage holes and provide clean storage and easy transport. As you can see, the Decon Privacy Corridor System is portable, assembles quickly, and is easy to use. The built-in features create a flexible decontamination solution for situations involving one to several individuals. Visit DQEready.com/decon to view the full line of DQE decontamination showers. Contact us at 800-355-4628 or info@dqeready.com for any additional questions.